ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ నానాజీ గొన్నవతిల. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇండిఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2Bకి సంబంధించినటువంటి రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1 అండ్ రోమన్ నెంబర్ 2లో 1 to 30 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈరోజు రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అనేది మీకు క్లియర్గా అయినట్లయితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేస్తారని, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారని కోరుకుంటూ టుడే క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 31. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by sin 2x into dx. sin 2x ని మన tan లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తే 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x into dx. Here LCM is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x into 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్ అయితే 1 plus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x into dx. 1 వాల్యూని 1 square అని రాయొచ్చు. 1 plus tan square x means secant square x. A square plus b square plus 2ab means a plus b whole square. Here a is the 1, b is the tan x. So 1 plus tan x whole square. Put 1 plus tan x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation apply చేయండి. 1 కి 0 tan x కి secant square x dx is equal to dt. Integration of secant square x dx means dt. By 1 plus tan x means t, that means t square. Integration of 1 by t square means minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t means 1 plus tan x plus c. This is problem number 31. Problem number 32. Integration of x square plus 1 by x power of 4 plus 1 into dx. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ నోమినేటర్లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేస్తే 1 by 1 plus x square. డినామినేటర్లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 by x square into dx. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 1. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 1. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 plus x square into dx by a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 on right change. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into a అంటే x, b అంటే 1 by x plus 2. Here x cancel. That means x square plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel అయితే మనకి x square plus 1 by x square అనే టర్మ్ మిగిలింది. సో x square plus 1 by x square అనే టర్మ్ మనం x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 అని రైట్ చేయాలి. పుట్ x minus 1 by x is equal to some constant t. x minus 1 by x equal to some constant t. x की differentiation is 1. d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So minus into minus plus 1 by x square into dx is equal to dt. Integration of 1 plus 1 by x square dx. 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt by x minus 1 by x value is t. That means t square plus 2. t square plus 2. Is equal to integration of 1 by t whole square plus 2 value మనం √2 whole square. స్క్వేర్కి రూట్కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 2 అనే టర్మ్ మిగిలింది. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by Here a means root 2, 1 by root 2 tan inverse. X means t, a means root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Here t means x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. This is problem number 32. Problem number 33. Integration of dx by cos square x plus sin 2x. Sin 2x మనం 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x ni 2 sin x into cos x. Integration of dx by cos square x అనే టర్మ్ కామన్ చేయండి. 1 plus 2 sin x by cos x. Cos square x into 1 cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos square x. Cos square x की cos x cancel होते cos x में. Integration of 1 by cos square x means secant square x by 1 plus 2 sin x by cos x means 2 tan x into dx. Secant square x dx by 1 plus 2 tan x. Put 1 plus 2 tan x is equal to some constant t. Say here 1 is the 0. So 2 into tan x derivation is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So secant square x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Secant square x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So integration of secant square x dx. Secant square x dx means 1 by 2 dt by 1 plus 2 tan x means t. Here 1 by 2 is the constant. 1 by t into dt. 1 by t into integration of 1 by t dt log mod t. Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. So integration of 1 by t dt is equal to log mod t plus c. So 1 by 2 log mod t means 1 plus 2 tan x plus c. This is problem number 33. Next problem number 34. Integration of 1 minus sin 2x root into dx. Integration of root of 1 minus sin 2x. 1 value మనం sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x means 2 sin x into cos x root of into dx. Sin square x plus cos square x value is 1. So 1 place loని sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x means 2 sin x into cos x dx. Integration of a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means a minus b whole square. Here a is the sin x, b is the cos x. So sin x minus cos x whole square into dx. Root of sin x minus cos x whole square into dx. Square की root की cancel. Integration of sin x minus cos x into dx. So two terms की integration apply किया तो integration of sin x into dx minus integration of cos x into dx. Integration of sin x minus cos x. Integration of cos x sin x plus c. సో బోత్ టర్మ్లో మైనస్ కామన్ చేసినట్టయితే మనం మైనస్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 34. Problem number 35. Integration of 1 plus cos 2x root into dx. Integration of 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So 1 plus cos 2x plus 20, 2 cos square x root into dx. Root AB means root 2 into root 2b. That means root 2 into root cos square x dx. The square की root की cancel. Root 2 is the constant. Integration of cos x into dx. Root 2 into integration of cos x sin x plus c. So root 2 sin x plus c. This is problem number 35. Next, problem number 36. Integration of cos x plus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x root into dx. Integration of cos x plus sin x by 1 means sin square x plus cos square x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x into cos x root of into dx. So integration of cos x plus sin x by a square plus b square plus 2ab, that means a plus b whole square, that means sin x plus cos x whole square root into dx. Here square की root की cancel. Integration of cos x plus sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. So cos x plus sin x plus cos x cancel. Remaining value integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. X plus c. This is problem number 36. Problem number 37. Integration of sin 2x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. Integration of sin 2x means 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. Put a plus b cos x is equal to t. A plus b cos x equal to t. This implies, so cos x is equal to t minus a by b. Plus a is equal to minus a. ఇక్కడ b అనే టర్మ్ మనకి ఇంటూ చేస్తుంది, is equal to డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. So cos x is equal to t minus a by b. So differentiation apply చేయండి. Here a is the constant. Constant derivation is 0. b into cos x derivation is minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus 1 by b into dt. Integration of 2 sin x cos x by 2 sin x cos x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. Integration of 2 into sin x dx. Sin x dx means minus 1 by b into dt. Minus 1 by b into dt. Cos x means t minus a by b whole by a plus b cos x means t. A plus b cos x means t. Square ఉంది కాబట్టి t square. So t square. Integration of minus front రాద్దాం. So 2 అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫ్రంట్ రాయండి. మైనస్ టీ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్, ఈ 1 బై మైనస్ 1 చేత 2 టర్మ్స్ ఇంటూ చేయండి. మైనస్ టీ minus 1 into minus a plus a by b into b square by t square. So 1 by b square is the constant. So 2 by b square integration of a minus t by t square into dt. 2 by b square into integration of a by t square into dt minus 2 by b square into integration of t by t square into dt. 2 by b square into integration of 1 by t square is minus 1 by t minus 2 by b square into t square cancel. 1 by t is log mod t plus c. Log mod t plus c. So plus into minus minus 2a by b square into 2a by b square into t means a plus b cos x, a plus b cos x minus 2 by b square into minus 2 by b square into log mod t means a plus b cos x plus c. This is problem number 27. Sorry, problem number 37. Next problem number 38. Integration of secant x by secant x plus tan x whole square into dx. Integration of secant x by secant x plus tan x into whole square. Put secant x plus tan x is equal to some constant t. D by dx of secant x into tan x. D by dx of tan x secant square x into dx equal to dt. So both term lo మనం secant కామన్ చేస్తే tan x plus secant x into dx is equal to dt. Secant x into secant x plus tan x means tan x plus secant x means t into dt. T into dx is equal to dt. So secant x dx is equal to 1 by t into dt. 1 by t into dt. So integration of secant x dx by secant x plus tan x whole square. Integration of secant x dx means 1 by t into dt by secant x plus tan x means t, that means t square. Integration of 1 by t into t square, 1 by t cube into dt. Integration of 1 by x cube minus 1 by 2t square plus c. So minus 1 by 2 into t means secant x plus tan x whole square plus c. This is problem number 38. Problem number 39. Integration of dx by a square sin square x by a square sin square x b square cos square x. Integration of dx by cos square x అనే టర్మ్ కామన్ చేయండి. కామన్ చేస్తే మనకి a square sin square x by cos square x plus b square. 1 by cos square x means secant square x into dx by a square into sin by cos, that means tan square x plus b square. Tan square x plus b square. Integration of secant square x by b square common చేస్తే మనకి a square by b square into tan square x plus 1. So 1 by b square into integration of secant square x by a by b into tan x whole square plus 1 into dx. So a by b into tan x is equal to t. Here a by b is the constant. Tan x की derivation is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So secant square x dx is equal to fraction అనేది is equal to reciprocal అవుతుంది. That means b by a into dt. So integration of secant square x dx means b by a into dt by 1 by b square into a by b tan x means t, that means t square plus 1. So b square cancel. 1 by ab integration of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 by ab into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square means tan inverse t plus c. So 1 by ab into tan inverse t means a by b tan x plus c. This is problem number 39. Problem number 40. Integration of dx by sin x minus a into sin x minus b. So some adjustment చేయాలి. 1 by sin b minus a integration of sin b minus a by sin x minus a into sin x minus b into dx. sin b minus a కి sin b minus a క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే సేమ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఒక sin b minus a చేత మనం ఇంటూ చేసి ఒక sin b minus a చేత డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సో 1 by sin b minus a into integration of sin x minus a minus x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b into dx. 1 by sin b minus a into integration of x minus a minus అయితే minus x plus x cancel, minus into minus is plus, so plus b minus a, that means b minus a. So b minus a అనే టర్మ్ మనం x minus a minus of x minus b. So sin a minus b, here x minus a is the a, x minus b is the b. Sin a minus b, sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin a sin x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos x minus a into sin x minus b whole by sin x minus a into sin x minus b into dx. So 1 by sin b minus a into integration of sin x minus a into cos x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b into dx minus integration of cos x minus a into sin x minus b by sin x minus a into sin x minus b into dx. Denominator చేత 2 terms ని మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సో sin x minus a కి sin x minus a కి క్యాన్సిల్, sin x minus b కి sin x minus b కి క్యాన్సిల్. రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. వన్ బై సైన్ బి మైనస్ ఏ ఇంటూ సైన్ బి మైనస్ ఏ అనేది 2 టర్మ్స్కి కూడా అప్లై చేయాలి మనం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos by sin means cot x minus b into dx minus 1 by sin b minus a into integration of cos by sin means cot x minus a into dx. Integration of cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. So 1 by sin b minus a into log mod sin x means x minus b minus 1 by sin b minus a into log mod sin x minus a plus c. 2 టర్మ్ లోంచి 1 by sin b minus a అనే టర్మ్ కామన్ చేస్తే మనకి log a minus log b, that means log a by b. Log a means sin x minus b by sin x minus a plus c. This is proper.